Bawumia said Ghana democracy is under attack. Nah,
sir, the reason me
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amasaman also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amasaman also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka sem be say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, Adorye retirement, if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President and here. Women commerce is here.
Cousin,
senior.
Bawumia said Ghana democracy is under attack. Nah,
Sir, the reason
me tell you no.
mention this all kind.
Oh, one can say, what can you? What do you mean the reason?
Debbie, and I'm
Say,
talking to
yeah, Rej3ct3d party for.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rej3ct3d party for.
What say?
What say? Yeah, Rej3ct3d party for. That democracy is under attack.
Ah, Debbie, man, say no mic no. Pacho, sound from me checking the microphone.
Yes.
Bawumia say.
O say dey.
Aban Rej3ct3d party for democracy is under attack.
Okay. Me ma on trust to train.
Yeah, bungrofo bi bo ebewu dana. Na chese nipa bi oho a omo ye amanyosem wade amu ye mu. Ade atutu asem pese e kire se e na ya ban na wo so na wa ban na wo so wa ban no ye de Ghana se ne nsa ye mfie 9 abro so mfie nwotwe ye de se ne nsa keke Ghana nya ne de. Enti na me sankrofo na omo kasa no ti se aban tie no obeye kwan na omo mfa so bia na. Anu na me kire wo nta me ka so
Any party for.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rej3ct3d party for.
What say?
What say? Yeah, Rej3ct3d party for. That one for captain picture. And go or bed draw. Who the new say? So on yet, you know. I don't know, dear. It's permitted. Obia or ye cartoon. Edi ye biano. Obia the hobbit my papa channel. Say why ye cartoon tea. Yacho. Then also before picture. Then what yellow Photoshop. Eya usade na a president no akwa share the wig. I mean Adorye, how should we tolerate this in this country? Adorye, some move na a policy for ye no. In fact, almost save this country. Che omo che guy no. Wo mo na sa pictures ni dom wall nyina me kokoshe o ma delete ni nyina.
Now we are Bama
Ghana police should be proactive. This country will move forward. But say LPP boys, the way no more shapes are pictures, you know. Yet cheap baba.
Yet Yanni Taku, Sempoa, Obia carry cocoa bear bag do, Wakwani a man 5 million. Satam 31 million, Sunka, 300 and something million. Aye, wakwani a man 5 million. No, they are better on Chinedi. No, a safa from co, no, a quaji 2 million. No, they are better Kobe. Sa, Yashisikano. Ghana ni say na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni, me say Ghana ni hutono. One minute, na so nene brainina, what the Maya say, Nsem hunu tie, any say, asa. 1 minute be. Na koko kwenia kwajinisika. Otukono kan say yesika mu ensidan ensihwe eno aseda obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na wakwaje abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kan Dwa mama ba otua sika wo ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua. Because oya Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai. Ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa. Ekosi sai. Free health insurance, free maternal health care. Ekosi sai. Koko akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa. Nyasi akomo omaduro. Wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa. Yasa to abatu no. Ghana ni adwene mienuru. Kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani. Na wa hihye da chedi ama no. Gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie.
Edemano. Unya Kamila Al-Hassan. Ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba ye. O de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintehu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure. Unim se atintehu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure. Onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K. Onzo obi anka bi ma. Sa na wiase ne tie. So obi asamba fa we ye afutuo. Obi asamba susuka. Na wonnim de da wanim. Obi asamba susuka. Na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no. Wo be defend DJ K sasai. Enim guase we ya wagu ne ho. Wagu ne ho. Hey, DJ K nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a. Me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem. Wakama asem me wakama asem ya. Asa ne ye nya nipa. Asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam. Ene de wo me say baby I won ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye. Somebody can catch us say afaye. Afaye pa. Enti ne yentimi nka, yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no. Ene wo nti Kamila Al-Hassan. Ocha krom ha. Chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha. So obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye. Unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a. On say utam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu. Utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu. Ya na ho yesere. Ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya. Ene de ho na wo hye wo no. Ene wo na wo hye wo no. Me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so. Ne kra ni beje. Na explanation be na de be abonten. Endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2. Me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K. Me sese wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K. And then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no. Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say you nim issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Hey, hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on funded free seniors most of my comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of it, among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen now. Obian can't into them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest square kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. Most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Rej3ct3d mani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Rej3ct3d mani mama ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, na mo de onye kinki na muhia digitalization bia." And I Gafon say, "Okay, me beto aba na ma boom 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 boom." Mo to aba ma kinki government it me
say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region. Na me say fiam, "Hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.